Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 330 different strategies, with 109 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 228 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,024 indicators, with 428 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, a new best profitable buy-sell indicator, TradingView. And so, grammar aside, I'm not sure this is going to be the best, most profitable buy-sell indicator on TradingView. Often, the source videos make that claim, and very rarely do they hold up to an exceptional standard. And so, what we're going to do is go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the pivot high-low line right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And jump into the settings of this one. Go into the inputs, change the left bars to 66 and the right bars to 33. And then the next indicator we will add to the screen, the CM Ultimate MAMTFV2. Quite a mouthful. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. And so what we're going to do is we are going to change the moving average length right here to 300. We're going to change the T3 factor right here to 1. We're going to scroll down a little bit here, and we are going to check the optional second moving average right here. And then the T3 here for the second moving average, we'll also change that to 1. Then under the styles, what we're going to do is go into the second multi-time frame moving average. On the first selection here, I believe they have this on circles. Go ahead and change this to line. And then what you'll want to do is just go into each 0, 1, 2, and 3 and make them the second line weight right here. Click OK, and it should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a short trade is, first and foremost, we are looking for the two moving averages. If I just hide the pivots here, we are looking for the two moving averages to be red, like this here. We're looking for the smaller one, the thinner one, to be below the larger one, like this here. And we are looking for price action to be trading below the moving averages. And then if I turn the pivots back on, what we are looking for is we are looking for a pivot line to form like this here. You can see the red pivot lines and you can see the green pivot lines. We're looking for a red pivot line to form. And then we're looking for price to break below that red pivot line like it does right here. When that all happens, that's going to be the signal to enter into a short. I'm going to put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above this pivot here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about so. Alright, let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see a really nice push to the downside. getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for the two moving averages to be green. We're looking for price action to be trading above the two moving averages. We're looking for the thinner moving average to be above the thicker moving average, like this here. And then we are looking for a green pivot line to form like this right here. And lastly, we're looking for price to break above that pivot line. You can see that everything lines up right here. It's going to be the signal to enter into a long. We're going to put the trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of little pivot area right here. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes a little bit, just kind of stair-stepping around. Then we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall drawdown of $1,000 altogether. So again, definitely not the most profitable buy-sell indicator, and definitely not the greatest strategy in general. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 79 trades altogether. We had 62 winning trades and 17 losing trades, putting it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $37,200. On the losing side, you'd have lost $20,400 for an overall gain of $16,800. So definitely better results from the Academy of Forex indicator. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. And you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And recently, we've developed a crypto scalping strategies. You can see a list of a decent amount of the trades that we have taken using that strategy. Some really good, decent winning trades. If you are interested in viewing that crypto scalping strategy, you can click the link up in the corner right now. It'll take you to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.